This album for me represents the ending of a chapter in my life, which was leaving my country, of leaving home.
Del pájaro azul que vive en una jaula de pensamientos.
El Pajaro Azul is my first album. It's music that I've been writing for the past 2 years. The album is mostly based on a short story by Rubén Darío. I instantly wrote the song El Pájaro Azul, but then I also started realizing how most of the songs I wrote before that were related to birds. They spoke about birds, and one of the songs in the middle of the album, which is called Alas de Corteza, speaks about a bird who always lived in the same tree, and his tree was his home, it was his family, and one day he decided to leave the tree, and he needed to leave the tree in order to find himself and to get to discover new things.
Se fue en mis plumas el recuerdo de tu viento y me cuesta pensar.
Most of the songs I wrote were written during trips, traveling. They're all very related to nature, and generally songs come after experiences that I live. I feel they are like pictures of moments and of experiences of change. I'm very grateful for all the people who helped me do this. It would have been impossible to do this project without the help of so many people that I cannot even name now, but you know who you are, so thank you. Yes, I hope people can let their bluebird out after they hear this music. If I can only inspire one person with this, I feel I got the job done.